Welcome back to Norns Network. My name's Kate, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Docker. I found all of my definitions for Docker off of Amazon, so I can't take credit for any of these things that I'm about to say, but I think that they explain it the best. So, Dockware is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and develop applications quickly. It packages software into standardized units called containers. Containers is a very important word here. And they have everything that the software needs to run, including libraries, system tools, code, and runtime. With Docker, you can quickly deploy and scale applications to any environment and know your code will run. It works by providing a standard way to run your code. It's an operating system for containers, and it's similar to how a virtual machine virtualizes server hardware. So these containers virtualize the operating system of a server. And some reasons to use it are it lets you ship code faster, it standardizes application operations, it seamlessly moves code, and you save money by improving resource utilization. Today we're going to go through a Docker lab using a Docker Sandbox playground, and I'm going to walk you through that. So here we have this GitHub with instructions for performing this new API microservice lab provided by Michael Potter, and he gives us step-by-step instructions on how to use this lab to create this new API microservice. First thing we're going to want to do is go to this labs.playwithdocker.com, and you're going to want to start by making an account, which I've already gone ahead and done, so I'm going to click Start. Once you click Start, you are in this playground. You have 4 hours for a session, and the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and add a new instance. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Here it says that the first thing that we should do is run this command. So this is important. Do Control-Shift-V in order to paste into these playgrounds. Control-V doesn't work a lot with command prompts, so this is a way that this works. And click Enter. So we have all of this cloned into here. And then the next step is going to be to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and copy this .env file. This is going to help us configure our web component, so we're going to go ahead and paste that in. Once we have that in there, we're going to go ahead and click on this editor. I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger. Once you get to this editor, you're going to see this News API Workshop, and we're going to go and click the plus on that and click this .env thing right here. You're going to see that it says it wants a news service API key, and in order to get that, you're going to want to make an account on this newsapi.org. I've already gone ahead and done that, and I actually have mine right here in Notepad. So my API key is this one, and I'm going to paste that right here. We can go ahead and save that. We're also going to want to go ahead and get a public URL, so we're going to click open port right here. We're going to type in 4000. And here we have this public URL that we can use. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go back up to this news endpoint right here and paste that over there and click save. Once we've done all that, we can close this window and close this tab. Once we've entered both of those things, we can go ahead and add this docker compose up command to run the application. So we're going to paste that in and press enter. And we're going to let it do its thing. So once it's finished running, it'll say server ready at this URL right here, and it'll have these two new numbers added to the top. We're going to go ahead and click the 81, and it shows our latest news in the public URL that we gave it. If we go ahead and inspect the page, we go ahead and inspect the page and then click this body thing, where it says this news service tag, the word that it's searching right now is laptop, but we can go ahead and change that. Say we want to change it to dog. Now all the articles that are being shown for the latest news relate to the word dog or have the word dog in it. We can try again with another word. Let's try pizza. Now we can see that some of these have to do with pizza. I like this Domino's. I would love a gift card, thank you. I hope watching me play around with this has inspired you to experiment with Docker, and thank you for going on this front-end development journey with me.